Standard 8 Maths Chapter 7 Variation Practice Set 7.1. Write the following statement using the symbol of variation. Now let's see what is variation. Variation is in two forms, direct variation and inverse variation. So what is direct variation? In direct variation, if you see this is 2 upon 4. When you see that it is increasing, see 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So then again 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. So in direct variation, if one upper numerator is increasing, denominator also increase. डायरेक्ट वेरिएशन में एक अगर बढ़ता है तो दूसरा भी अपने आप बढ़ता है. So that is said to be direct variation. On the contrary, if one is reducing, see here 5 5s are 25, 5 10s are 15. So if one reduce, other one also reduce. So in direct variation दोनों सेम होते रहे. अगर एक बढ़ा दूसरा भी बढ़ेगा, न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर. इन डायरेक्ट वेरिएशन अगर एक घटा तो दूसरा भी घटेगा. दैट मीन्स न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर बोथ विल डिक्रीज. But in inverse variation, it is contrary. See, this is 40 and this is 6. It becomes 6. See, 4 10s are 40, 4 6 are 24. In inverse variation, if one is reducing, यहाँ पे कम हो गया, but here it got increase. So inverse variation में एक बढ़ता है तो दूसरा कम होता है. This is said to be inverse variation. Now, for direct variation, for example, you have A upon B. So, that means A is directly varies to B. So, A is equals to KB. So, K is constant. So, A upon B. So, this is direct variation. And in inverse variation, A upon B. So that means A is inversely varies to Y. So that is A is equals to, see how to solve this. Circumference C of a circle is directly proportional to its radius. So C is directly proportional to radius. This is the answer. Or you can say C is equals to K into radius. K is constant. Second sums. Consumption of petrol, that is L, in a car and distance travelled by that car D are in direct variation. So ये जो L है और ये D, L is directly variation to car, that is distance. So that is L directly varies to D. So either you can write like this or L is equals to K into D, where K is constant. Second sum. Complete the following table considering that the cost of apples and their number are in direct variation. So here we have to find out this incomplete columns. What they have said, that the cost of apples. So this cost of apples that is Y. Apples and their numbers, these numbers of apples are in direct variation. So numbers of apples are in direct variation. So here Y is directly varies to X. Y X के साथ directly varies में. So that will be equals to Y is equals to K into X. So ये K we have to find out. So Y is equal to, ये X इधर आया, that is K. So how to find out this value of K? Now see, we will see this first one. Here you have Y equals to 8 and X equals to 1. So using this formula, y upon x equals to k, we get y is 8 upon x 1 equals to k. That means that is k equals to, denominator में 1 means it is like this. So k is equals to 8. So we get fixed value of k, that is 8. So with the help of this, we will find out now this third value. So here y upon x is equals to k as we proved, and k is equals to 8. So therefore y we have 56, x we do not have, and k we have 8. So y का value लगाया, x as it is और k is 8. So now ये जो x है वो यहाँ जाएगा and 8 will come here. So 56 upon 8 and x goes there. So 8 ones are 8, 8 sevens are 56. So value of x is equals to 7. Now fourth one. Here we have x is equal to 12 and y is missing. So again y upon x equals to k, where k is equal to 8. So y is here missing, y upon x is 12 equals to 8. So this 12 will go here. So that will be y is equal to 8 into 12. So 8 into 8 2s are 16, 1 carry, 8 1s are 8, 9, 96. Value of y is equals to 96. Now the last one, fifth one. Here x is equal to question mark, y is equals to 160. So according to formula, y upon x is equals to k, where k is equals to 8. Then y we have 160, x we do not have, and k we have 8. So x will go there, 8 will come here. 160 upon 8 is equals to x. 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16 and 0. So x equals to 20. Third question, if m varies directly to n and when m is equals to 154, n is equals to 7, find the value of m when n is equals to 14. So here what they are saying, m varies directly to n. यहाँ पे दिया है m directly varies कर रहा है n से, तो m is equals to kn, that is m, ये n नीचे जाएगा तो m upon n is equals to k. K is constant. So we will find out first value of k. So here m is given 154, n is given 7 equals to k. So 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14. Again 7 twos are 14. So therefore k is equals to 22. Yeah, we got constant value of k, 22. Now what they are asking us to find out value of m. If n is given this much, so m upon n is equals to k. So here m is missing and n is 14 and k we just not find out 22. So it is in denominator, it will go here. So here it is division. So left hand side, right hand side when it's go, it will become multiplication. यहाँ से जब वो अपना पोजीशन चेंज करके इस तरफ जा रहा है इक्वल टू के, तो यहाँ डिवाइड हो रहा है, वहाँ जाएगा तो मल्टीप्लाई. सो m is equals to 22 into 14. So in your rough column multiply 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 2. So 8 308. So m is equals to 308. Fourth question, if n varies directly as m, complete the table. So n is directly variation with m. So let's see, n varies, यहाँ बोल रहे हैं n varies directly to m. So that means n is equals to km. So k will be n upon m. ये जो m है नीचे आया तो k is equals to n upon m. So here if we see the first value 3 upon 12. So m is 3 and n is 12. So if we substitute this value in this formula, it will be like k is equal to n upon m, 12 upon 3, 3 ones are 3 fours are. So k is equals to 4. तो constant क्या हुआ 4. See, we can cross check it. 5. So 5 fours are 20. So k, again k is equal to 4. So using k is equal to 4, we will solve this 3. So let's see the third one. Here m is equals to 6.5 and n is missing. So n upon m is equals to k. So therefore n we do not have, m we have 6.5 and k is 4. So this will go this side. So it will become multiplication. N is equal to 4 into 6.5. So 4 5s are 20, 2 carry, 4 6 are 24, 25, 26. And this decimal. So that means answer is n is equal to 26. So first filling the blanks. Here you get 26. Fourth fill-ups, m is missing and n is this much. So n upon m is equals to k. So therefore n is 28 upon m is missing and k was 4. So ये 4 यहाँ जाएगा, ये m यहाँ जाएगा और 4 will be in denominator. So 28 upon 4 is equals to m. 4 6 are 24, 4 7 are 28. So m is equals to 7. Now let's see the last fill-ups. Fifth one. Here m is equals to 1.25 and n is equals to missing. As per given, n upon m is equals to k. So n is missing and m 1.25 is equals to 4. So this will go here. So n equals to 4 into 1.25. So if we multiply 1.25 into 4, 4 5s are 20, 2 carry, 4 2s are 8, 9, 10. 1 carry, ये decimal 4 ones are 4, 5. So that means n is equals to 5. Fifth question, y varies directly as square root of x. So here what they are saying, y varies directly with square root of x. So square root means this of x. When, now further they are given when x is equals to 16 and y is equals to 24, find the constant of variation. So इसका जो constant होता है y is equals to k square root of x. This k they are asking us कि k ढूंढ के निकालो. And then of variation and equation of variation. इसका equation of variation. So now let's see how to do. Here y is 24 and k we don't know. Square root of x is 16. So 24 k square root of 16 4 का root है. 16 is 4 into 4, 16. So that means here 4. So K is equals to, ये 4 यहाँ नीचे आया है, 24 upon 4. So if we divide it further, 4 ones are 4 6 are. So K is equals to 6. So constant मिल गया. We find out constant. And further what they have asked, equation of variation. So equation of variation means यही equation है, यहाँ पे बस K का value लगाना है. So that means y is equals to 6 root of x. This is our equation of variation. For sixth sums, the total remuneration paid to laborers employed to harvest soybean is in direct variation with the number of laborers. So, see, this remuneration paid to laborers, let it be M. Then what they are saying, to harvest soybean is in direct variation with number of laborers. So, number of laborers be N. So, according to condition, what they are saying, this M is in direct variation with N. So, M is in direct variation with N. M is equals to K into N. So, that is M upon N is equals to K. So, here, if remuneration of 4 laborers is rupees 1000, so that means N is equals to 4 and M is equals to 1000. So therefore M upon N, so 1000 upon N, that is 1000 upon 4 is equals to K. So 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 10 minus 8 is 2, 4 fives are 20 and these 4 zeros are 0. So here therefore K is equals to 250. Now what they have asked, find the remunerations of 17 laborers. Means if number of N is 17, how much will be remuneration? N is equals to 17, M is equals to question, M upon N is equals to K. So M we do not have and N is given 17 and K just now we find out it is 250. So therefore this will go here for multiplication. M is equals to 250 into 17. If you further multiply it, you will get 4250. So therefore according to question asked, the remuneration of 17 laborer is rupees 4250.